Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials so you can work without interruption. Open CorelDRAW X3, create a new document, and select your page size and units. This ensures measurements remain consistent. Once done, set DPI for export quality and enable rulers and a grid to align objects quickly. Make sure to create at least 2 layers, one for layout and one for artwork, because separating elements speeds editing and reduces mistakes as you build your design. Now you create and refine the core artwork. Use basic shape tools to block in the composition, then switch to the shape tool to edit nodes for precise curves. Once you have components, combine them with weld, trim, and intersect to form complex objects. This reduces clip paths later. Apply fills and outlines from object properties to keep a consistent look and group related items. Doing so speeds selection and helps when you need to move or scale multiple elements together. Finish by cleaning and exporting your work. First, check alignment and spacing with the Align and Distribute commands, and convert text to curves when sending to printers to avoid font issues. Once satisfied, export using PDF or TIFF for print, choosing CMYK. Use PNG or JPG for web and set resolution accordingly. Save your native CDR as the master file so you can edit later. If something goes wrong, reopen the CDR to restore previous steps before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.